Good morning. My name is Uma. I have been working here as a principal. This is pre-nursery school. We are here to cater to the needs of children from nursery, LKG and UKG. Right now we have a good number of the children who are very familiar with the books provided by LilBeez. In fact, we are the best users, I can say. The books are very helpful to us basically because it's user friendly both for parent, teacher and also to the student. When it comes to learning skills, the books are very visible in the sense that the books are very easy because the pictures are very colorful and it is proper to the needs of the children. When it comes to parents, they are very convinced with it for the reason that is the books are very friendly to them to understand. When it comes to teachers, the reduction of job is there. That means earlier we would write everything by hand in the notebooks, but now we have a printed material of it where the handwriting is simply beautiful because of the cursive. And here at our school, we follow the cursive system of writing for the higher classes. We believe that handwriting is very important, and so this LilBeez books are very helpful to us. We are currently using the book of EVS, which is very helpful basically because whatever we had earlier, the content of the syllabus, it is very much in par with that. So we have really taken that books in a good number and we really look forward for these books in the near future too. The books which are printed, especially with respect to the writing part of it, are very helpful to the teacher because it is conceptually very clear. The understanding is very simple, both from the teacher side as well as from the parent side. So we have a very good feedback about the book, and sincerely we are thankful for the NIEC team because they have framed it in such a way that we are very comfortable using such books. We are always looking forward for their support in the near future. As and when the content is needed for us to be added on, we are expecting them to support us. Thank you so much.